Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of your review channel. Yes, Braun Series 9, S9 they call it. So just so you know, S9 means Series 9. I'm going to do an unboxing. We're going to take a look at this series. There's awesome new razor. I'm going to do an unboxing, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get into the video. Okay, so it comes in a huge box, as you can see here. So this is the Series 9 Sport, which basically means this is you can use it in the water or dry, any way you want to use this. Okay, this is Braun's best shaver. That's what it says here. We'll soon find out. It's got a 401 Pro Head, ultimate efficiency, close to skin comfort. It's got all kinds of technology built into this. 40,000 cut actions per minute, which is pretty fast. Like I said, wet or dry, which is kind of cool. And it has a cleaning base you can put it into as well. I do recommend using the cleaning base. A lot of people don't like to use it, but I do think the cleaning of the head really prolongs the use of the razor. Different models. So this one here, as you can see here, has the gold foil, and that helps with the longer hairs, as well as the really sharp outer blades as well, and also has a trim as it pops up as well. So let's take a look at the razor real quick and let's see. So it comes in this huge box. Like I said, this is what's pretty much in the kit. You get the razor, the base, and you get the case, and let's take a look at that right now. That's what the manual there. Of course, it comes with a little brush to clean it with. Always well packed. And let's take a look at this together. So you do get the fluid. This is the cleaning fluid here, which is really cool. I always try to use the Braun brand, but the aftermarket brands are good as well, so that's okay. Comes with the power cord, so you can use this cordless or corded, just so you know, so you don't have to always be cordless. So if your battery does die, just plug it into the wall and you could use that and you are good to go. Here is the razor. Let's take a look at that real quick. Okay, so now we have the Braun here, and I'm going to take it out of the case, and it comes in a nice case as well. So it's a soft, hard case, and if you're familiar with Braun, you know what I'm talking about. Take a look at that. Let's put that to the side. And also the charging base, and you can use it with the base, or without the base. It's totally up to you. Totally up to you whatsoever. So if you want to use it with the base, which I always do, which is kind of cool. Basically, once you drop it into the base, it'll start charging it up right away. You can see how it looks like that there, which is kind of cool. It'll start charging it up, and also when you want to do a clean cycle, you just press this button once and it goes through the clean cycle and then charges the razor. So if you're not a fan of Braun, check it out. This is a real nice razor. I'll leave a link down below if you're interested in checking it out. And if you never used a Braun before, like I said, I've been using them for years and I love them. And they work well, and they're very consistent, and they do a nice job. They do really give you a nice close shave. I won't do a live shave today, but I just want to go over the the features and benefits of the razor. So as you can see, it's got a nice swivel head. Head pops off. A little different configuration, a little bit smaller headed, but it's nice. It's got, like I said, it's got the extra head cleaning hair for the gold piece here, the long hairs. And the rest of it is the shorter hairs, and it just gives you multiple layers of trimming, of cutting of your face, of the actual blade. Like I said, and 40,000 revolutions, which is pretty cool. Again, wet and dry, so you can use it in the shower or not. And these little buttons on the side here, you just press, and this locks it in and opens it up. So you can see here, little buttons here. That's that. And it does have a lock. So if you want a fixed position here to lock it, there's a little button up and down. This opens it up to full swivel. And if you just want to lock it at a certain swivel position, you just move it and lock it. And you can just see that. So that does the swivel, so that locks the swivel. Okay, here's the power button. Like I was telling you before, when you turn it on, you'll just see bars. You see that there? It'll just show that it's full and it's running, and it's pretty quiet. And as it goes down, the bars will go down more and more. It just tells you how many shaves you have. It gives you some information on here. It tells you when the head should be replaced, or you can reset that if you want to. So, and depending on how thick your hair is and how much you shave, will give you different sensor options and give you different information on the display. It does give you some information, and you can look at the booklet, and it gives you an idea, you know, how to reset it and do all that. But we won't get into that. We're just doing the unboxing and take a looking at this. When you want to trim, all you do is go turn around the back, and there's a button here in the back for the trimming. So you hold the button down for the trimming, and you just raise that up there. That activates the trimmer, which you can see here. The head is still free flowing. So we'll just activate the trimmer so you can actually trim and just do your sideburns or beard or whatever you're working on to do some trimming. In the past, they do work very well. Over time, they do wear out. So, unfortunately, that's just the razors aren't built like they used to be. So every few years, you seem to be upgrading razors, and that's what I've been doing, just upgrading razors. But the handle feels good. It's got a good grip to it. Also, guys, just to let you know, I just want to interject here. You can charge it actually in the razor itself, or you can actually charge it in the base. So I didn't show it, but there is a plug on the base as well. So you just pop the razor in, so you don't have to plug it into the razor. You can plug it into the base, and then everything works from the base. Just so you know, just wanted to fill in. So I'm very, very happy with the shave. I'm very, very happy with the results. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below in the description box, and you can see. So if you're interested in picking up your Braun, I said you can't go wrong with Braun. They do have a money-back guarantee, so if you're not happy, you can return it at any time, which is really kind of cool. I like that. So you don't have nothing to worry about. So if it doesn't work for you, give it a month, give it 2 months. I think it gives you 60 days. To try it, which is pretty good. I mean, so you can return it anytime. So if you're not happy with the quality of the razor, if you're not happy with the quality of the shave, ship it back and you will get your money back. And they're pretty good about that. I mean, Braun's a good company. They've been around for a long time. And I've tried different razors. I've tried them all. Panasonic, I mean, you name it, $500 razors, doesn't matter. And this runs around $200. And you can get them on sale once in a while for $149. It's $149 to $200 is roughly what the price is. The heads are expensive, so if you plan on replacing these heads, they probably run you about $30 to $40. Again, I'll leave links down below for replacement heads for that as well. And also, these cartridges do run out, and they run around maybe about $5 a piece. And they come in 2 packs, 3 packs, different ways of doing it. And one more thing, just to install this is kind of simple. There's a little button in the back here. You press this button and you raise it, okay? So a lot of people get confused with this. A lot of people tend to say, oh, let me load this in the front, and you don't. You load this from the back, okay? So you make sure you pull off this tab here. This comes off, you just pop this off. You load it from the back, and you just slide it right in, close it up, and basically that's all you have to do. But just remember that. So you always load these from the back. It looks confusing. You think you do it from the front, but you don't. It's always from the back. So that's that. And then you just push it down and activates the water segment, and then the water feature to clean it. It's actually not water, it's actually alcohol, and you have some special formula of alcohol. And the past ones, they would look blue. This looks clear, so this is a little bit different formula, so that's interesting as well. I just noticed that usually. A lot of times they always look blue, so it says danger, flammable. That's because it is some type of alcohol they use, and it does have some type of cleaning solution as well as a lubrication in formula built into these cleaning solutions. So they do work well. I've tried adding my own alcohol, doesn't really work. I've tried adding water, don't do that. So different things I've tried, and it does come with a little brush cleaning head to clean on inside the razor. Okay guys, just a quick review. Any questions or any comments, leave down below. Tell me what kind of razor you use. Let me know in the comment section down below what type of razor you use and how it works for you. And let me know, do you use electric or do you use a regular manual shaver, a blade? I'd like to know that as well. Doing the quick survey below. So either you are a blade cutter or are you an electric razor cutter? Let me know. Leave comments down below. That helps me as well. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That does help me grow my channel to keep doing these unboxings and showing you new and different things that I come across, and to show you and give you my thoughts and my opinion. Like I said, I've been using this and it works great. So you can't go wrong with Braun. They back it up, and you do get a money back guarantee if you're not happy. Okay guys, and you do have the travel case, which is kind of cool. All right, I appreciate it as always, and I'll see you at the next review.